Well, good morning, Lenny. Right at the door waiting. Well, good morning, everybody. I'm Anna with Jonestead Farm. I am getting ready to come out here to plant some peas, but I'm going to feed these little rascals first. So let's get to it. We haven't done anything with the garden yet. It's still a bit too early. We need to get in there, clean some of that up, and then on a pretty day and a dry enough day, we need to start tilling. We're not going to make it as big this year. And I'm going to plant my peas over here in my raised bed. We do have a little bit of rain coming in, probably here in about 15 minutes, and that'll be good. Well, looky here, coming up in the raised bed, I do believe that might be some sunflowers. I did have 2 huge sunflower stalks at the ends of these beds this past year. So, already coming up. And here on the other side, we have some more popping up. My only worry is we're at the very end of February, and here in Kentucky, central Kentucky and 6B where I am, it's going to get cold again. We're probably going to have another snow. That's just my own feeling about it. These may not make it, but I'm going to leave them. Also, at the end of fall, I cleaned out my chicken coop and I spread all that out in my raised beds, and I've left it all winter long. I am going to come back in here and top dress it. That's what I'm getting ready to do to plant the peas. And I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like first signs of comfrey coming back up. Well, if you guys can't tell by the sound, it is starting to rain on me, but that's just how it is sometimes. I don't have a lot of peas to plant, so I'm going to be out here doing it in this rain shower. I'm going to use this potting mix this year. It was about $5 cheaper than the Miracle-Gro brand. Giving it a try, see how it does. So let's get on with it so I don't get drowned. So right now I just spread out that bag of potting mix, top dressed this bed just for the peas. This is my peas that I'm going to use. They are the Oregon Giant. They are a super sweet pea. So let's get these planted. Alright guys, I've got just a few left down here, and I'm going to put them in. I've planted them close to the trellis because they will vine up and attach to the trellis, and now they're in. Let's hope that they grow well. It's raining pretty good out here, and I'm standing right in it. But that's okay. Got a little bit. It's not going to last for a long time. Next time, I hope to be planting some more herbs. So we will get this going in another video. See y'all next time on Jonestead Farm.